Hello students, hope you are doing well. Let's talk about B.Tech in Computer Science Engineering. B.Tech in Computer Science Engineering, commonly known as CSE, is an academic program of the duration of 4 years which integrates the field of computer science and computer engineering. B.Tech in CSE is one of the most sought after specialization of engineering and is among the top choices of courses for all the engineering aspirants. We at Sterling Global University provides industry-oriented and 100% placement-assisted most sought specializations in computer science, that is artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cybersecurity and networks, data science and analytics. According to reports, there will be around 5 lakhs fresh jobs in the above sector during the next 2 financial years. We train the students as per the industry needs, which makes them easily placeable and deployable. We at Sterling Global University go for holistic and all-round development of our students, may it be in academics, extracurricular activities, debates, public speaking and sports.